Okay. So our objective is to understand the benefit of parameters. Okay. Step one, let's pick any visual. Let's say we will pick line chart. Okay. Pick up this line chart. Let me expand it, align it, place it, and I'd like to have, uh, let's see, category on x-axis, sales on y-axis. Okay. Let me go to format your visuals, switch on data labels. Fine. So what do I have? I have category versus sales. Now I'll go to modeling tab here. I'll click here. I have here the option of new parameter. Let me click this drop down and I'll go for fields. I'll click on fields. Okay. I can see in the fields over here, I have the same data and I'd like to have, you see here category. I'll click and drag category over here. Then let's say I'd like to have region and segment. Okay. Let me give the name here as dimensional parameter. And make sure this checkbox is clicked, add slicer to the space. Let me click on create. Okay. I'll get this on the formula bar. That's totally fine. And you'll have your parameter on the top right of your screen. Okay. Let me click here. This is, let me just squeeze this bottom up and over here. Now, as of now, when I select this, nothing happens because I have not linked this parameter. Okay. So now what I will do is I'll click on my line chart. I have here this category, right? Let me remove it. This dimensional parameter, which is showing up over here, let me expand it and drag this dimensional parameter on my x-axis. Okay. Then I have here category, region, and segment. Category is on the very top, which is why I'm seeing here furniture, office supplies, and technology. Let me check the box for region. Immediately, I'm seeing the breakdown of sales in terms of region. When I select segment, I'm seeing the breakdown of sales in terms of segment. And when I click on it again, it leaves there, or I just clear selections. Either way, it works fine. Okay. Now, this is what? This is dimensional parameter. Okay. Let me go to new page. Let's click on area chart this time. Let me bring it here. Let me bring up subcategory on x-axis, sales on y-axis. All right. Now, again, I'll go to modeling, new parameter. Let me click the drop down and choose fields. Okay. Now, as of now, I don't have any measures over here. The way I have used my region, category, and segment, it's not going to work. Okay. Yes, I can drag it over here, but that won't work. Therefore, my first step will be new measure, do a sum of what? Sum of sales. There is my prompt for sales. I'll click on it, close my parenthesis, and I'll give here the name as total sales. All right, done. Then my total sales measure is showing up over here. I need another measure. Let's say new measure, and I'll type here sum of profit. Let me call this total profit. Okay. And press enter. Done. Now I'll go to my modeling view. In new parameter, let me click the drop down and go to fields again. Now the two measures are where they are not in orders, they are in this parameter. That's still no problem. I just have to expand this, drag my total sales here, total profit here, and I'll give my parameter the name measure, measure parameter, and I'll click on create. Okay. All right. I have the prompt. That's totally fine. Let me just pull it up. Go here. I'll click on my area chart, remove my sum of sales. My measure parameter is here. Let me expand it, bring it here on y-axis. Okay. Now, when I select my total sales, I'm going to get to see my total sales. When I select my total profit, I can see my total profit. Let me switch on my uh, data labels. Hold on a second. Yeah, there you go. Data labels on. So total profit, total sales. All right. Thank you so much for watching.